Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Acura MDX wiper blades. First, make sure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Place the towel on the windshield to protect it from scratches if the wiper arm accidentally drops. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position. This makes the blade accessible for removal. Once the wiper arm is in the service position, you'll need to remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the hook. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. Hold onto the arm securely throughout this process. Now it's time to install your new wiper blade. Take the new blade and slide its connector onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new wiper blades, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the windshield effectively without streaking. This confirms proper installation and readiness for all weather conditions. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.